Want to speak real Italian from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ItalianPod101.com.
In this lesson, you learn how to ask for clarification in Italian. Clarification? What is that? When you don't understand someone or you didn't hear them, you make sure with them that you understood correctly, and that is asking for clarification. Well, in Italian there are a few expressions that come in handy in such situations. I have listed them here for you. Okay, let's look at the expressions. We have ripetere, repeat, ripetere, ripetere, ripetere lentamente, repeat slowly, ripetere lentamente, ripetere lentamente, parlare più lentamente, speak more slowly, parlare più lentamente, parlare più lentamente, parlare più forte, speak louder, parlare più forte, parlare più forte, scriverlo, write that down, scriverlo, scriverlo, fare lo spelling, spell it, fare lo spelling, fare lo spelling. Let's look at the dialogue. Two young people who live in the same apartment building meet in the lobby and one of them introduces himself. The other person doesn't catch his name and asks him to repeat. Let's see what expression he chooses to ask for clarification. Mi chiamo Marcello Mancini. My name is Marcello Mancini. Scusa, puoi ripetere? Excuse me, can you repeat? Mi chiamo Marcello Mancini. My name is Marcello Mancini. As a final example, imagine your neighbor tells you about an awesome restaurant and you really want to check it out. So you ask for the name of the restaurant and maybe the address. Since it's not easy to remember, you want to write it down. What do you say? Scusa, puoi scriverlo? Excuse me, can you write it down? From all the examples, we can see there's a common pattern you can use when asking for clarification. Scusa, puoi verb phrase. And in English, excuse me, can you verb phrase? A very important thing to keep in mind is that if you are talking to someone you don't know very well, who is much older than you, or your boss, or teacher, you should opt for formal Italian. All you have to do is to substitute scusa with scusi and puoi with può. Scusi, può verb phrase. Please do your best to use the following wording. Do you remember how to say repeat? Ripetere. Ripetere. And how to say, excuse me, can you? Scusa, puoi... Do you remember how to say, excuse me, can you repeat? Scusa, puoi ripetere? Scusa, puoi ripetere? And how to say, repeat slowly. Ripetere lentamente. Ripetere lentamente. Do you remember how to say, speak more slowly? Parlare più lentamente. Parlare più lentamente. And how to say, speak louder. Parlare più forte. Parlare più forte. Do you remember how to say, write that down? Scriverlo. Scriverlo. And how to say, spell it? Fare lo spelling. Fare lo spelling. In this lesson, we have learned how to ask for clarification in Italian. Thanks for watching. I'm Felice Angelini and I'll see you on ItalianPod101.com. A presto!
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.